I think one of them I'm gonna save. This is the stuff I buy myself for Christmas, so that I have them on Christmas morning. Our sweater. Some fun stockings. Some normal stockings. REM lip oil. I wanted that. I got 2 different super pomades. Some fun earrings. I had so many earrings this year. A blush. It's gonna be pretty today. And a hat. And socks from Aerie. Let's see, what's in my Ulta bag? 2 things of liner. And then some liquid eyeshadow. So that's gonna be fun. I think I want to keep the eyes a little quiet. And did Miriam put my makeup box? Oh, I never unpacked my bag. So let's get some eyebrows on. I feel like I shaved like a couple days ago. So I got the REM lip oil. Didn't like this, not at all. I really like the cold metal ball, but the actual gloss in there, terrible. It didn't stay on my mouth and it wasn't particularly hydrating, so I gave it to my mom. She likes it.
Because I just covered up our fireplace. Long story. Anyway, I followed the dopamine and it turned out stunning. Let me show you. Okay, big heavy piano, right? How can I hang stockings from the top without any weights? So it was a little hot glue so it won't scratch the piano. Definitely needed the structure. I'm not a repeated pattern kind of person. This one, definitely. Oh, forgot I just did. Painter's tape. This. Ta-da!
Liquid I bought glitter. I know glitter was purchased for me for Christmas, so I'm not gonna put any highlighter on actually. I'm just gonna maybe vlog and maybe take a lot of video. So.
Alright, Mr. James, you doing okay?
Yeah. All right. No more practical earrings. Let's do fun earrings. These are some stars. I got a lot of earrings, and just like a lot of jewelry in general this year for Christmas. So, I'm sure there'll be a lot of jewelry changes. I ordered these from Target. They didn't have them in store, so I ordered them online. They come in a separate package from the rest of my products. They come in a paper package, just like this. No plastic, just the earrings, the cushion, and God. And then it stabs me right in my whole hand. It hurt a lot, actually. I don't think I have my scissors around, so. Big, chunky sweater from Aerie. I was inspired by a friend of mine who actually lost their sweater. And they were like, oh my god, it's like oatmeal colored. And I was like, oatmeal colored. I need an oatmeal colored sweater. I need it. I need it. So, like, I totally bought one. How are we feeling about the blush? Oh yeah, I was gonna wear sports bra with this, but I'm glad I switched to the turtleneck. Turtleneck is so much more material. Don't you go anywhere. So chunky, big chunky, and I don't have to wear a bra. I lost my buttons. I found my buttons. I just zip myself in. Oh, I switched to a different nude lip. Wow, I really said change it up, change it up. You change your costume, change it around. And if I didn't and I don't know where it went, it's devastating.
be somewhere. It's my favorite nude lip. Lost in the sea of nowhere. There's that. The whole reason I bought this one was to go with this. It's kind of a satin white, so I think I might actually switch to the Crush Velvet. Hit myself in the face with my own ponytail. And I was making this ponytail 3 days ago. I was like, it's not like it's gonna be the one that I wear on Christmas. I can just kind of slap it together. And look at me, not taking my hair down like a delinquent. Alright. This is my look for Christmas. Part 1, because I'm gonna put on stuff throughout the day probably. But
I did not.
this is like super cute, chunky sweater, black leggings, black turtleneck, and I'm gonna wear my Magdalena charm necklace. I love this style of charm necklace. I saw a girl on The Bachelor wear one that was like this. Like I think all the girls got one in like one of the challenges because I saw multiple girls wearing one. And from that point on I was like, I want a necklace that says my name and like a dropsies. And then like I would get my other gold plated one for Christmas that year, and I was like, I like this. I really do. There's something missing. The dangle. I'm gonna go and be one with family now. But I look like a baller. Alright, Merry Christmas. And to all, a Happy New Year. Because this is one of the first videos of the year. Alright.